and today we're in the centre. Are we in the centre? Very close to the centre, I would say. Hello, I'm Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in the centre. Are we in the centre? Very close to the centre, I would say, to Los Cristianos. You can see what we've got down there. You can see what we've got behind me here. Absolutely fantastic view from this balcony. The balcony I'm on is probably 18-20 metres squared, something like that. Absolutely fantastic sea views, and we've got in this apartment 3 bedrooms, good sized lounge there, kitchen at the back, and a bathroom. We're only about a 6-minute walk away from the beach, admittedly down some stairs, so probably a 12-minute walk, something like that, on the way back up. You can hear the beach, you can hear the waves, you can hear the people on the beach. Let's have a look around. So as we're coming through the main door, we've got this hallway which leads down to the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom, and then we can turn right here into the lounge and the kitchen. Let's go down to the bedrooms here. So the first door on the right we've got here is the bathroom. So we've got the washing machine in here as well, out the way. Toilet, hand basin, and then bath with the shower head there. And back out into the hallway, and right next door to that you've got this large double bedroom with fitted wardrobes here. Got a ceiling fan. Into the hallway again, bedroom 2. So this has got a fitted wardrobe and 2 single beds here. And then to the right we've got bedroom 3. Now there was some discussion that maybe this could be made into a 2-bedroom with a dressing room and an ensuite, something like this. So maybe, possibly making this bedroom here ensuite with here, and then having one of these bedrooms as a dressing room, ensuite, toilet and bedroom all around the other way. So back up this hallway, really large apartment, back up the hallway here and into the lounge. Nice bright lounge, and then kitchen, good sized kitchen. This is a proper family kitchen. It's all perfectly serviceable. It may not be your taste, but easily changeable. And then we go out into the through the lounge, and out onto this terrace. As I say, this terrace is massive. Imagine having lovely dinners out here, plenty of space, sunbathing as well if you fancy it. And of course you've got the benefit of this fabulous view. So I'm going to zoom us over here into Las Vistas Beach, so you can see Las Vistas Beach here. Beautiful colours of the water. There you've got the port. So you can see how close we are. And then across this side here, you've got the hotel there. That I think it's a hotel. They stopped building it now. Apparently they've been refused permission. And then you can see La Gomera off in the distance, but although the sun will set over there, you can just imagine the colour of the skies that you're going to get here. Absolutely awesome. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.